Hi guys, I'm here with an unboxing, specifically New York & Company closet. So if you haven't heard about this clothing rental service, I'm here to tell you that it is awesome. I've been receiving these boxes weekly for about a year now, and I wanted to just share my experience with the service with you all. It is really something that I look forward to when I get these boxes, especially when I come home and there's a new one on my doorstep. So today I'm going to do an unboxing. I just got a new box in the mail, fresh off the press here. Then I'm going to try on a couple pieces, take you guys through the website so you can get an idea of how it works. But hey, before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Yes, it's that red button down there. Once you click on it, hit the bell also so that you get a notification when I put out a new video so that you don't miss it. Okay, so last year I made a decision to be more intentional when it comes to building my personal brand, and that included how I looked and presented myself at work and in the office. I always loved dressing up at work. Even when I worked in HR at a warehouse, I would put on a nice shirt, some jeans, a pair of cute heels, and some flats. But last year I wanted to pep it up a little bit. I truly believe that dressing your best for the office is key when it comes to developing a work persona and just branding yourself overall. And then now, because I work in HR, I deal with employees all the time, especially women that come to the office in short dresses or things that make them look like they're dressing back in the day. And really, some people just struggle to dress professionally. You always hear to buy 3 to 5 pairs of pants, a few tops, blazers, and then switch things out to make things work for you at work. But that just, it wasn't working for me. I wanted to add color to my wardrobe and new things that I normally don't wear. And I just thought a rental clothing service would be something that would work for what I was trying to do. So here's how it works. So once you sign up to New York & Company Closet, you get to look through all the pieces on their website, and then you add your favorites to the closet, and that's what they call it. Initially, you want to pick like 20 to 25 pieces and put them in your closet. Then you can assign what they call priority items. Those are like your favorite pieces. And what they do is they take those favorite pieces and they'll send those to you first so that you have them before the other things in your closet. Oh, and if you're concerned about cleanliness, the closet always sends me clean clothes, and most of the time there are tags on them, and you can wear them, return them without dry cleaning or washing them. So they send you 3 pieces in a box at a time. Once you get those items, you can wear them, resend them back, or you can just return them, or you can buy them. Keep in mind, if you choose to buy something, the prices are discounted, maybe 65 to 85% off. So like my tops run maybe about $10 each, and then my dresses maybe between $20 to $30. So, I mean, you're getting a discounted price once you sign up for the service and if you choose to buy something. So let's go ahead and open the box. This is how the box looks when it comes in the mail. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I kind of started taking off the tape already because they put a lot of tape on here. So out of the box, the pieces come in this cute little tissue paper with a New York & Company sticker on it. And then it also comes with a return bag so that you, after you wear the items, you can just put them back in this bag and send them. It's already pre-labeled. I just schedule a pickup service with the postal service and put it right by my front door, and they come and pick it up. Or I drop it in my, I have a USPS bin at work. I just drop it there and then they're sent back, and then the service sends me 3 more items. So let's see what I got today. You also get to see what's like in the mail and what's coming on the website. So I already knew what was coming, but I got a t-shirt dress, really colorful here. I'm gonna do a try on so you can see how these pieces look. I also got a cute teal belted dress. It comes with a belt. And then I got a olive dress as well that ties in the middle here. So let's shoot on over to the try on. Let me know what you think. Oh, I love the color of this dress. I love olive. I like that it ties in the front and it hides my mommy tummy. I'm not the biggest fan of the 3/4 sleeve dress, but I think I can make this work. It's going for $17 if I choose to buy it. Let me know if I should keep it. All right, next up is this shirt dress. It's going for $14.50. I love how it moves. I feel so comfortable in it. I like that it ties in the front. Overall, I think I'm really happy with this one, and you can't beat the price. All right, so next up is this blue dress, guys. I don't know about this. I'm getting 1970s, 1980s here with this. The only thing that I really love about this dress is the puff sleeves. I think I need a size bigger also. Tell me what you think. Help me decide which ones I should keep. I linked a poll up to the right hand side of the screen. Click on that and vote on your favorites so I know which one to keep. Alrighty, so I'm taking you guys through the New & Company closet website on my phone. So this is the mobile version. So right now I'm on the new arrival section. New arrivals sometimes are posted every Mondays and Thursdays. It just depends. Some Mondays they're new arrivals, and then some Thursdays. It just depends on when they put things out. But then I'm going to go to my closet, and what that'll do is show everything that I've picked. First, it shows what I have home right now. And you can see those dresses that I just showed, the first and second one. The first one is $14.50, that's 75% off. And then the second one is $17, the third one is $16. So the prices that I'm getting for this box are about 75% off. Then it also shows what I have in my rack here, and those are all the things that are teed up to ship to me pretty soon. Once I've returned the 3 items that I have currently, they'll send me 3 more. And then I also can put things on hold on this page. So I've put like sweater dresses and things that are more winterish in the on hold section. Alrighty, so that's the website. That's how it works. Let me know what you think. If you are trying the service now, the clothing service, or maybe another rental service. I know Express does one. There's Gwenny B. There's others that are out there. Let me know if you've tried one, because I'm looking to possibly try another one besides New & Company Closet. I like the concept, but I might want to try a different brand, maybe for a couple months and then switch it up a bit. All right, so that's it today. I'll see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Just hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. All right, see y'all next time. Bye.